about you. Everything about you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today, as you would have seen in the title, I am going to be showing you and just like taking you through my monthly pamper routine. I tend to forget to do this all the time, but I like to at least once a month like dedicate an afternoon or dedicate just like a night or something to just like really pampering myself, organizing my life a little bit, just like doing the little things that honestly make my mental health a lot better. So without further ado, let's get into the whole pamper afternoon. I'm so excited. I've just got home from work and I've just like feel like everything's just been like all up in the air and like crazy, and it's a Friday, so I just feel like, oh, I'm so happy to just like chill for the afternoon. And in this pamper routine, I'm going to be showing you DIY face masks for acne, healthy treats, because what's a pamper night without healthy treats, new nail care products which I've just discovered that I am obsessed with, and just really taking you through my whole pamper chill wind down routine. So first things first, it is food, because honestly that is the best part. And so I'm actually going to take you on into the kitchen and I'm going to show you the recipe for a healthy protein mug cake, which I've been obsessed with making at the moment. I thought it would be a good idea to get that in the oven so then we can like do the little things, and then after I'm done all those things it'll be ready and then we can like watch a movie and chill. So I'll take you into the kitchen and show you my favorite just like treat in general at the moment. So now that my protein mug cake is in the oven and cooking away, I thought it would be the perfect time to finally do my nails, because if you know me, you know that my nails are always looking gross. I never paint them. And honestly, it's mostly due to the fact that I cannot bother all the time. I just feel like painting your nails is so much effort and I always ruin it. But also the fact that nail polish is generally just filled with so much crap, and just like I don't really like to have it on me. So I was actually so impressed when I got an email from the brand Modelones, which is basically a nail brand that only contains the most natural ingredients that they can put in nail polish. And all of their products are actually made out of natural resin that is cruelty-free, no smell, non-toxic and pollution-free, which is just like all down my alley. And I've been looking for a nail brand for ages that I actually feel okay about putting onto my body. So we're getting into it. I'm so excited because I'm not the nail polish type of gal usually. Also want to mention how nice this packaging is. Like, I'm someone who really appreciates some nice packaging, and look at that, like that is some nice packaging. Alright, so starting off with the base coat, I'm just going to apply a thin layer over each nail. Okay, and now to choose my color, which, oh my gosh, like look at that. Okay, so I've decided to go with the color Flowers. I'm just going to glide that over my nails. And now, in my opinion, the funnest part, they actually have this light that you can use to dry your nails, which is like the worst part of painting your nails, when you have to let it dry, you accidentally touch something and then it messes it all up and you have to start again. It's just not a good time. So they've got this little portable light, which is so cool. You can either connect it with like a USB charger thing, or also it can take batteries as well if you're like on the go and traveling. So I'm just going to sit here for a bit. I feel like I've got my own DIY spa at home, and let my nails dry. Now my nails are dry, I'm just going to go in real quick with the top coat. And voila! Now I've got nice nails, I'm feeling very pampered. Now it is time to wash off this makeup and do my DIY anti-acne face mask. I've been doing this mask for the past few weeks and I feel like it's made the biggest difference in my skin overall. So yes, I think it is time to make my way into the bathroom now and wash off all the makeup that I've had on for the day and do a nice anti-acne face mask. First things first, we need to pop up the hair because we really don't want that getting in the road. Now this DIY face mask looks disgusting, I'm not gonna lie. I'll put up the ingredients on the screen. They are also anti-inflammatory and great for pimples. So even though it might look and smell not the greatest, if you're like me and will literally do anything to clear your skin, it'll be worth it. Really isn't the most attractive of face masks, but I tell you it works. The turmeric, cinnamon, oats, honey, they're all such soothing anti-inflammatory ingredients. Really, they are worth looking like a bit of a Oompa Loompa for a little bit. So I'm just going to leave on this face mask for about 15 minutes while I choose a movie to watch. Something chill. I'm feeling like a romantic comedy because, as I said, it is that time of the month and I just really enjoy a good romantic comedy around this time of the month, as I feel like any girl does. So I've got my mug cake, I've got my face mask, even got my movie set up. Feeling fine, feeling like I could take on the world and just having a great time. My face mask probably got another 5 to 10 minutes to go, so I'm just going to sit here, eat a bit of my mug cake, and then I will go and have a shower and get changed into some comfy pajamas, and then just continue the night. Maybe make a tea, just really relax and just have a good time. So alright, my face mask is off. My skin's actually feeling so much better. My skin has just been like crazy at the moment, so I'm kind of trying to do anything to soothe it. Also had a shower, got changed into some comfy clothes, got my mug cake. Now I'm going to just chill, watch this movie and eat. About 2 hours later and I'm still in the exact same position. The movie was so good. Makes you feel so good and just like, one of those feel-good movies, you know. I am so full from my mug cake. It was so good. I really recommend trying that. Skin is feeling good, feeling pampered and fresh and just like good about life. So yeah, I really hope you did enjoy this video. I think I'll wrap it up now because I'm literally just going to probably chill, read a book. Actually, that's the next step. Read a book. Currently reading this one, which I actually just got from some op shop, I think it was, actually for like $2. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy and like routines. I'm actually, I've been getting a few comments lately about doing a morning routine, so I'm definitely gonna get on that soon because I love filming routines and I also love watching routines. So give the video a thumbs up if you just like routines in general and would like me to do some more. Make sure to subscribe as well because I post videos every 2 days, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!